Happy video day, guys. Christina, Brooke here. Today I wanted to do an old-fashioned PR unboxing, but of course I'm going to be trying out some of these products as well because I'm kind of nosy to see what they look like. So I've actually been collecting some of the items that I've gotten in PR in the past few months, and I want to show you guys some really cool new releases from different brands. I actually got 2 boxes today that I don't even know what's in them, so we're going to open them together. I do know also there's a cream blush that I want to try on, so I'm probably going to try it on in this video. But yeah, we've got a bunch of really fun products to unbox together. I want to bring you guys along with me on the excitement of opening up new makeup and also some fashion pieces. So if you guys are excited for that, then we're going to get into it in a minute. But if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I really would love for you guys to join the channel. I love to talk about makeup and fashion, and I would love for you to be a part of that. So if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit subscribe, join the family, and let's get into some unboxings right now. All right, so I have everything here laid out behind me. So many fun pieces. I really don't even know where to start. But I think we're going to start with this one right here, which I just opened up yesterday, and I did do an entire video on it. So I'm going to be doing a separate full video on this, but this is from a brand called Odin's Eye. They sent me over their entire Saga of Freya collection, which is so exciting. I did actually get 3 palettes in this package right here, 3 beautiful different palettes. There's one that is called there's the Tears of Freya, the Saga of Freya, and this one, which is the Cat's Breath one, which we play with in the video that I'm going to be showing you guys the first impression on this. But there's so many cute goodies in here. There was also an entire brush set that came inside of this PR package. But yeah, so Odin's Eye is actually new to me. I know they're a Swedish brand, and I did play with this makeup, and guys, I don't know if that video already aired. I'll link it up here. If not, it's probably going to be right after this one, but you guys have to check out that video because this is a brand to keep your eyes out on. Today I got another box that looks just like the one this one came in, so we'll see what's in that one in just a second. So let me show you guys this. Okay, so let me show you guys this before I forget. So a few videos back, I showed you guys these roses that I got from Rose Forever. It's a New York company, and they sent me these roses that are supposed to stay good for an entire year. Well, it's been a few months already. I want to say it's been over 4 months that I got these roses, and they are perfect. Look at them. So I have them in the background of my fashion videos, but I did want to give you guys an update that they are perfect and beautiful. So they look perfect. There's no wilting, no nothing. They look so pretty. So if you guys are looking at bouquets that stay good for an entire year, so if somebody's getting married or you want to send it to them for their bridal shower or even for just like a cute little gift, these are awesome. And they just make really good decorative pieces because you can keep them for a whole year. So instead of getting flowers that you have to throw away, you can get flowers that you can keep for a year, and they look so pretty on your vanity. So I did want to give them a shout out again, and if I still have a code with them, it will be linked down below. They had given me a coupon code before that gave you guys a discount, and if I can get it again, I will put it down in the description box for you guys. But yeah, super pretty. Update, still looking good. Okay, so this is what I want to try on right now. So Pixi sent over their On the Glow blush. This is tinted blush stick. So this one looks just like this, and it comes with 3 different blushes inside, and you guys know cream blushes is where it's at right now. Everything is a cream blush, so I want to try this on right now for you guys. That would be super fun, right? So I'm going to try on the tinted moisture stick, and this one right here is in the color Juicy. I like peachy blushes, so that's why I went for this one. So let's see what it looks like. So it actually looks like a deodorant, you know? You would think that this is like a deodorant how it looks, but ooh, that's cute. Let's go ahead and try this on. Ooh, that has pretty good pigment. Look how good that looks with my lipstick, right? Can you imagine if I just wore it like this with my lipstick? That would be fabulous. But let's go ahead and blend that out. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Ooh, I like these. Huh. Pixi did another really good formula that I think if you guys were looking at any of the high-end ones, you might want to try out this Pixi one first. It is doing that beautiful like glassy balm look to the skin, which I love. Reminds me a lot of like the Merit one that I just tried just recently. It's almost like it almost looks the same. Yeah, I like these. I like these. I want to see how long they last, but definitely it moisturizes the skin. It makes you look like you have very hydrated, shiny, balmy skin, which I love. Has nice pigment to it. I really like this color. I think I might like these a lot. Okay, so I want to play with the other two, but yeah, that is super interesting. All right, so since Father's Day is coming, why don't we look at this? So this is actually pretty funny. So Look Fantastic asked me if I wanted to open up their Father's Day by Mankind box. And I actually am gonna do an Instagram Reels opening up this box, but I haven't even looked in it yet, so I'm gonna film that after this video. But inside of it, you got like Elemis Superfood. It's like a face wash. You also got like a Groom to Perfection. So this is all stuff for your father. So this is all stuff for Mr. So it's like a dad box. So obviously it's all stuff for men. So this is an energizing shower gel. There's also a glycolic scrub in here. So this is a fragrance-free balm. Then you have a 3-minute exercise oil remover. Interesting. Here there is a there's a toothpaste. And this is a moisturizer in a beautiful little container. We also have in here a Man Cave face serum. So yeah, if you guys have a Mr. and you want to send them something cute, so this is a cute little Father's Day idea gift box that Look Fantastic is doing. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I have a link for them as well, and I'll put it down in the description box. I am gonna unbox this all on my Instagram Reels. I think that this is fabulous. I think what I'm gonna do is take this with me to Father's Day, and I'm just gonna open it up and let all the dads pick whatever they want from the box as a fun little Father's Day little gifter. I think it could be a really cute idea. So if you guys haven't seen already, I've got a few bags from Shein. So Shein is an online clothing company that I've done a few collabs with already, that they've sent me over a lot of stuff. I go ahead and look through their website and I pick specific things and I send it to them, and then they send it to me to show you guys. And this is probably like the 5th or something collab that I've done with them. So one of the reasons that I really enjoy collabing with Shein is their clothes is so modern and fun, and they have like all of the in trends, but of course their price points are very low, and you know, not everybody can just go out and buy designer clothes. Not everybody wants to go shop at the high-end brands, and I totally understand that. Actually, the majority of people probably do not. It's great that these companies that offer these amazing pieces for such good price points. The quality of a lot of the pieces are good. Obviously, there's going to be some that you're not going to love as much, but for the most part, stuff that I have personally picked from Shein, I have liked almost 95% of the stuff. This was one of the dresses that you guys saw in my most recent haul. I already posted it by the time you'll see this video, so if it's already up, I'm gonna link it right here. But this was one of the dresses, and this dress reminded me so much of a dress from Abercrombie, and the price point was so much better than Abercrombie. And yeah, and the fit is really, really cute, so you guys will probably love that one. I'm also wearing a top from it. This is like a set. It comes with this and it comes with the bottom. There was also this beautiful dress, is another one that I picked, that it has all of these really cute little florals on it. Perfect for like bikini wear if you're going somewhere in the summer. Let's say you're going on a vacation and you just want some really easy to wear dresses, but you don't want to spend a lot of money. Shein is the place to look. Their delivery times are pretty good. Everything that I have ordered from them, I've gotten it within like a week or so at least. So I've had very good experiences with my own orders from them, and obviously their PR usually comes a little quicker because they send it to me fast. But the stuff that I've ordered on my own, I've gotten in very good timing. So I'm happy with their website so far. They also have really good returns. At one time, I returned a pair of pants because they were too tight, and they actually told me to keep the pants, and they sent me the new one. So their return policy is actually really, really good, and yeah, so far no complaints with them whatsoever. I have a feeling this might be from Odin's Eye as well, which I wasn't really expecting more products from them. All right, so it's from Odin's Eye. Okay, so they sent me more stuff. I hope this isn't the same collection. I don't think so. Ooh, it looks like it's filled. Norn's series as well. And How nice. And they sent me a cute little postcard. Awesome. So they sent over a lip stain in here. This is another lip stain. This is another lip stain. So we've got two different colors of lip stain. So those are the two colors that they sent over. Ooh, look how beautiful this packaging is. Wow, that's pretty. I love like they have like this whole fairy tale theme. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I love this color. Ooh, look at that color. Oh, yeah, we have another lipstick. Let's see what this one looks like. It has the same beautiful packaging and is called Light Peach. Ooh, I love a peach lip. Ooh, that is beautiful. It's this one right here. Oh my goodness, these are right up my alley. Ooh, a highlighter palette. Nice, because it's so light. Oh my goodness, pretty. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this? So this right here is the Mini Ocean palette. Look at that. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. So this mini sky palette looks right up my alley. Oh my, this is beautiful. Look at this one, guys. So this one right here is called, this is the Norns eyeshadow palette, and this is so pretty. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I don't even know if you can appreciate these glittery tones on camera. That looks insane. So this right here is the Alva. Ooh, cool. Look at that. That right there. So this one is called the Alva. That is so pretty. Wow, awesome. Oh my goodness, there's more. Because we also have some pretty blushes here. So, oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. This is their flower blush. So pretty. I think there's some highlighters in here. They sent over the Erd mini eyeshadow palette. They also sent over this one, which is called the Erd. The Ava blush. We've got here, what is this one? A mesmerizer, which I don't know, what is the mesmerizer? Are those highlighters? Look at those highlighters. Hello, coolness. I think I'm gonna have to touch this one. Hold on a second, but that is just too beautiful. Oh my goodness, when you swatch it, it comes off like a beautiful goldish color. This is really exciting. They sent over the squid. The squid, ooh, that's beautiful. Look at this palette. Oh my goodness, this is phenomenal. Okay. Thank you so much to Odin's Eye. I already did one video using their new collection that I just showed you, but I think we're gonna have to do a second trying some of this stuff on because there's just too many amazing things in here I'm dying to put on my skin. Honestly, thank you guys so much. So we have another PR package from Pixi. So like I said, they always do such cute PR packages. So this is a cute little book bag that they sent over to me, which I am going to get use out of. And inside of it, they sent over their body lotions. So there's two different ones here. So these are different body lotions and also a body peel. So that's really, really awesome. New skincare stuff from Pixi. So if you guys didn't know, Pixi has a whole skin treats section that they have all the skincare products that are actually really, really, really good. You should try them out. But yeah, thank you so much, Pixi. And finally, we have one more box that came today that I have no idea what's inside of it. So let's curl. So this looks like it's from Essence. And oh, cool. So it is the Curl Power. This is a mascara. Oh my god. And all of the other mascaras down below. Actually, guys, I think I already have all these mascaras. So I'm gonna save this as a big PR package giveaway for one of you guys. I think I already have every single one of these mascaras that they sent me in PR already. Hey guys, so this is a different day, but yesterday I filmed the whole video about PR and today I got more PR. So I said, you know what? This video is not going to air till probably Sunday-ish, I think. So I'm going to show you guys this other stuff too, because why not? Let me show you guys everything. I got a box filled with goodies. Now these goodies are from the Kaja beauty brand, but they actually have sister companies. So it's from all of their sister companies, okay? So I'm not sure exactly like what the main name of it all is, but I got the Noni facial peel. I got from I Do Care. This is a black headband that they sent to me. I believe most of these are sold at Sephora is what they told me when they reached out. So this is the I Do Care metal spatula for skincare to try out. That looks like a lot of fun. Then they sent me over this I Do Care Skin Energizing Collection. Skin Energizing Collection. What is that? We got to open this up because that sounds too weird to not see what it is. Oh, so it's a night mask, a smooth shot, which I don't know what that is, and a power plug, which is a firming cream. Interesting. Oh, it's a serum. Ah, this is a kit of their skincare, so that's interesting. Then we have from the Kaja brand, which is the brand that actually reached out, there is the Beauty Bento. So this is the eyeshadow trio. This is really interesting. I've actually been wanting to try Kaja and I've never tried this brand, so they sent over this. So it's a trio of eyeshadows. Ooh, we're gonna have to do a video trying this out. Let's swatch it. Why don't we? Ooh, that's like really, really soft. Look how beautiful this color is. Wow. Ooh, that's pretty. Huh, I'm interested. Wow, that's pigmented. Nice. Okay, all right, I'm interested. That's three very pretty colors together. I could probably create a very pretty look. And believe it or not, this cute little compact is actually pretty handy. I can see myself traveling with this or throwing it inside of my purse like super easily. Then they sent over this, which is their sparkling eye pigment from Kaja as well, which is interesting. I've never tried a sparkly eye pigment. Ooh, look at that. Look how interesting that is. Looks like it got a little moved around in there, but that looks cool. So that's probably just to like put all over the lid to add a little sparkle, which I love some sparkle. And then also from Noni, they sent over a hydrating lip oil, which now in the summer, those are always very, very useful. So yeah, so thanks so much to the Kaja brand and all of their sister brands and Noni and everybody and I Do Care for sending over this fun box of goodies. We'll get into some of these in a future video for sure. But I also wanted to show you guys, Shein had sent over some stuff to me, but I'm gonna have another video coming up with Shein because they sent over more stuff. Apparently, they are launching a silk collection, which is like from their brand, I think it's called Motif. So you guys are gonna see pretty soon, it's all gonna be on the Motif brand from Shein. So this is a little sneak peek. I'm supposed to put this all in one video, but this is the first time I've opened it with you guys, and ooh, that's cool. Look how pretty. Or like those little slips that you would put underneath like a work jacket. Cool. So I'm excited to be trying these. Let's open one more up. Just one more for you guys. Let's see what's in here. So this is from the Motif brand as well. Everything else I'll save for the video so you guys can be surprised. But let me give you guys a little sneak peek. Ooh, this is the white one. Oh, this looks pretty. Look at this. Wow, that looks really nice. And this fabric is really, really pretty. I hope you guys can see that on camera. Ooh, I'm excited to film this video. Okay, so get ready for this one. It's probably gonna be coming up this week. I'll be trying out all of these amazing products from Shein's line Motif. Effortlessly chic clothing, which sounds like me. But anyways, that's everything that I got today. So these are the items that I've just gotten recently in PR. I did have some other cool stuff come to me from Kaleidos and Merit, but I already did individual videos for those. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Fun little opening up boxes with me. Let me know if you guys want me to do this again. Leave that down below. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk with you guys in my next video. Bye.